everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do new airports make you nervous? Do you ever feel lost at the airport? You're not alone. On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than relying on translation. Today's story is a real travel moment, wrong terminal, mystery shuttle, gate change, and how one calm question can save your flight. You'll learn simple, useful phrases to use when you're lost. So relax, listen closely, and repeat every line with me. Today's story is called Lost at the Airport. Are you ready? Let's begin. A new place.
My name is Nina. Today, I am flying to another city. I have my ticket. I have my passport. I am ready. But this is a new airport. I have never been here before. I see cars and signs. I see terminals A, B, and C. Which one is mine?
Wrong turn.
I follow the crowd. I walk into Terminal A. It looks big. It looks busy. It looks right. I check the board. My flight is not there. I check again. Still not there. I feel a small panic. I breathe in. I breathe out. I whisper, ask early.
Ask for help.
I walk to the information desk. Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Could you help me find my flight? Sure. What's your airline? Skyway Air, Flight 342. That's Terminal C. Take the shuttle downstairs. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Safe travels.
The Shuttle Confusion.
I go downstairs. I see a shuttle bus, but the board is blurry. The stops are unclear. The bus arrives. People push in. I step inside. No screens, no stop names. The bus moves. Left, right. Long hallway lights pass by. I wait and watch. We stop. Is this Terminal C? I look outside. I see Terminal B, not mine. I stay inside.
Full loop.
The bus keeps moving. We stop again. I look outside. We are back at Terminal A. My heart drops. I did a full loop. I didn't get off. I didn't ask. I feel embarrassed. The driver looks at me. You missed Terminal C. I nod. I wasn't sure. He smiles kindly. Don't worry. We'll pass it again.
Clear question. Clear answer.
I step closer to the driver. Sorry, could you tell me when we reach Terminal C? Of course, I'll call it out. Thank you. No problem. We move again. Now I watch the doors. I listen for the call. I hold my bag tight. Terminal C, next stop. The driver calls. This is my stop. I step off. I say, thank you.
Security and gate change.
I followed the signs, check-in, security, gates. I put my laptop in a tray. I put my liquids in a small bag. I walk through the scanner. I check the board again. Gate D12 gives D22. Gate change. I don't panic. I repeat, step by step.
Another small problem.
At D22, I hear an announcement, "Passengers for Flight 342, please be ready to board." I look for my boarding pass. It's on my phone, but my phone is at 2%. I feel nervous. I see a help desk. I walk over. "Excuse me, could you print my boarding pass?" My phone is dying. "Of course. May I see your passport?" "Here you go. Printing now. Thank you so much."
Kindness comes back.
Next to me, an older man looks confused. He checks his ticket. He checks the screen. He frowns. I say, "Excuse me, are you looking for D22?" He nods. "It's right here." I point. He smiles. "Thank you." Kindness is small, but it changes every day.
Boarding.
Group B may board now. People stand. Lines form. I hold my passport. I hold my pass. I scan my ticket. "Have a nice flight." "Thank you." I walk down the jet bridge. I finally made it. I whispered to myself, "Lost is okay. Asking is better. Calm is best."
The charger quest.
I find my seat in the waiting area. I check my phone again. 1% left. I need a charger. I look around. I see a charging station sign. I follow the arrow, left, then right. I see people standing with cables. One spot is open. I plug in my phone. The battery icon turns green. I breathe out. I feel safe again. A girl next to me smiles. "Long day?" she asks. I nod and laugh. "Very long."
Wrong gate. Right map.
I check the screen again. A new announcement pops up. Gate D22 gives D18 another gate change. I almost walk the wrong way. Then I stop. I open the airport map on the screen. I trace the path with my finger. Down the hall, turn left at the cafe, past the bookstore. There is D18. I walk with purpose, not fast, not slow, just steady.
Helping hands.
Near D18, a mother stands with a stroller. She looks tired. She looks lost. "Excuse me, do you need help?" I ask. She points to the elevator sign, but the arrow is confusing. We look together. I see a smaller sign, a tiny elevator icon, hidden behind a pillar. "This way," I say. We walk 2 turns. We find the elevator. She smiles with relief. "Thank you." I smile back. Helping others helps me too.
A note to future me.
I sit near D18. I take out a small notebook. I write a note to myself. Ask early, ask clearly, ask kindly, follow the signs. Use the map, stay where it's bright and busy. Charge your phone, carry a small cable, carry a printed pass when you can. I close the notebook. I feel ready. I'm no longer afraid of airports. I am learning. I am growing, step by step.
Great job! You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. Lost at the Airport is not just a travel story. It teaches a simple rule: ask early, ask clearly, ask kindly. One calm question can save your flight. One small kindness can guide someone home. Remember, be prepared, be polite, be brave. When your English is calm and clear, your journey becomes calmer too. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. One page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.